Good morning, dear children. We discussed the previous topic, the introduction of village Palampur in economics class 9 NCERT. Now the second topic we are going to discuss today in the class, that is one can grow more from the same land. One can grow more from the same land. As we all know, the village Palampur is a imaginary village, hypothetical village, and the people who live in this village, they have the main activity, that is farming. I told you earlier that total 450 families are there. Total 450 families are there in this village, developed village. And in this 450, more than 60 families are there. They are large scale farmers. Means they are landlords. So they are having well developed method of farming, like developed irrigation system, and they are taking multiple crop during the cropping season, during 1 year of the cropping season. So we must understand what is multiple cropping. While number of farmers in this village, as farming is the main activity, so they all do farming, most of them. So the maximum people in this village, they do the multiple cropping. To grow more than one crop in a piece of land in 1 year. To grow more than one crop in a piece of land in 1 year is called multiple cropping. So since number of people, they are middle scale farmer, many of them they are very small scale farmer, so they all are doing the multiple cropping in this village. We must understand in India there are 3 cropping seasons. Number 1 is Rabi, number 2 is Kharif, and 3rd is Jaid. Rabi crop, which is grown or sown in the month of October and November and harvested in the month of April. And in this cropping season, mostly farmer, they grow wheat and barley in number of states in India. If we talk about the Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and many other states which are located in North Indian plain, so they maximum grow wheat, barley in these cropping seasons, while Punjab is having highest productivity per hectare comparatively to other states. So Rabi cropping seasons, that is grown in October and November and harvested in the month of April. The second cropping season we have, that is Kharif crop. Kharif crop is sown in the month of September or October. Sorry, it is harvested in the month of September and October, and it is grown or sown as arrival of monsoon, onset of monsoon. So when monsoon arrives, it is sown in India. The paddy is getting ready, or it is taken, then it is again grow in different piece of land where it grows and harvested finally in the month of September and October. So that is Kharif crop. The third, that is we are having Jaid. It is a small cropping season between the Rabi and Kharif. 2 or 3 months seasons are there, 2 or 3 months time we have. In that we grow Jaid crop. In Jaid we are mainly growing, that is like watermelon, cucumber, muskmelon, or some watery plant which grow and harvested in the within 2 months or 3 months. So here it is clear, we are having 3 type of crops in one cropping seasons, Rabi, Kharif and Jaid, where we grow different type of crops in different seasons. As Kharif I told you, sugarcane, rice, these are the major crops, jowar, bajra, these also grown under the Kharif crop. So this is the cropping seasons in India. The same way in village Palampur, the most of the farmers, they grow these type of crops under different seasons, and they use the high technology or latest technology to get the maximum productivity, as they use HYV seeds HYV seeds. They use the modern irrigation system as Persian wheels, Persian wheels is the system of irrigation through which they take water from the ground and irrigate the land, irrigate the crop. And now it has changed. Earlier it was used. Now we can say that in this modern village, number of tube well which are highly modernized, equipped with the latest technology. So they are using the tube well, they are using the pumping sets, which are it means used for the irrigation purpose. So in this way we have covered these two topics in this chapter, the multiple cropping and cropping seasons in the village in India, used by the people or farmer in the village Palampur. And we are covering the next topics from this chapter in next slides. Thank you.